We all have frozen fever again, and today I will show you how to make this chibi-inspired Elsa mini dress cake. My name is Dania, and you're watching Doki Cakes. My great friend Gino and I have partnered up, and we are making a frozen collaboration. Gino will be showing you how he made this beautiful Princess Anna cake. He did an amazing job. I love how he made this dress. After this video, go ahead and check out his tutorial. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Again, don't forget to check out his video, show him some love, and subscribe to his channel. Now, let's get started making our chibi Elsa. I roll out some very light peach colored gum paste, place my drawing on top, and trace the entire thing. You really want to press lightly with a little bit of pressure. You don't want to tear your template. Carefully cut and remove the excess fondant, and it should look like this. Now this was my favorite part, painting her eyes. I started with baby blue, and then I added white luster dust to give it some shimmer on the bottom part of her eyes. I thought it would be cuter if I painted a little heart for her pupils as well. Carefully outline the eye areas with black edible marker and paint her mouth first with magenta and then pink. It's time to hit the subscribe button and the bell in case you haven't already, so you don't miss any new Doki Cake videos. Finish outlining her face and add her fondant dress, fold it in and cut off the excess fondant. For her sleeves, they are small teardrop shapes. Now the most important piece is her hair. Her hair is her biggest characteristic. So you really want to mark her hairlines very well, and to add more dimension, I decided to add fondant pieces only on the top of her hair, and then you're gonna finish outlining her hair. Carefully place it on the topper and add the other hair pieces, and I was really struggling with the braid because I completely forgot how to make one. But then I got the hang of it and I was like, yay! Finish the outlines and add the highlights to her eyes. It's cake decorating time. I piped the first layer of buttercream quite randomly, as you can see. And I then smooth it out, and it does not have to be perfect at all. Now to create the dress design, you will need Wilton tip number 97, and you will create some petal shapes by doing a slight burst of pressure while moving the tip like this, like I'm doing it right here. I don't know how to explain it. And then staggering them each row as I go up. Carefully add Elsa, and at the last minute I created these shimmering snowflakes. And voila, we are done with our chibi Elsa cake, guys. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with this cake. And I have to admit, at first I was extremely nervous, but I am so proud of it. Oh my love, she just turned out so cute. I just can't take it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would love to see your creation, so don't forget to post them on my Instagram, of course with the hashtag Doki Cakes. Don't forget, in the description box is the link to Gino's tutorial, so go ahead and check it out. Show him some love by subscribing to his channel as well, guys. See you next time. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.